Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to do the hard reset on your Samsung J7. The operation is helpful if you doesn't remember the password to your phone or just the software doesn't work properly. So first of all we need to turn off our phone, and as you see in the new firmware you can't turn off the phone. So you need to first power off it by pressing volume down and power button. Keep holding until the phone turn off, and after the turn off press and hold volume up, home button, power button, and release power button, still holding volume up and home button. It's quite complicated, but just watch me and repeat same operation and you get a hard reset on your phone. So we're gonna start. Press and hold both key, volume down and power button. Okay, and now press 1, 2, 3. Release power button, still holding volume up, and home button. Release both key, and as you see we gonna see the hidden menu from you gonna choose format data with erasing all data from your phone. 1, 2, 3. Here you need to wait some few seconds and try to press 3 key, volume up, home button, and power. And we have a menu from you're gonna choose wipe data factory reset, accept by power. Click on yes, and now all we need to do to reboot system now. And now phone gonna be start with the new brand software without any password on your phone. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like for me, leave subscribe, comment, and see you by next video. Hey, bye.